G'day viewers, I'm going to take some of the goodies off this board, like this big resistor here. I keep these bigger components, so that's just all. I'm going to melt the rest to earth. It's just it was a crappy radio to begin with. I'd always had problems with it, not a very good performer, so I might get that tuning capacitor off too, keep it as a spare part. The rest, well, the rest could just go pop. Look at all these unvented capacitors I could pop. Little polyester one there. Some variable resistors. I'll just strip all these screws out. And there's the oscillator coil and the AM antenna. Little diode there. Let's strip this thing apart and burn the rest. Okay, viewers, got what I wanted off it. A nice big 100 ohm 2-watt resistor and some decently sized caps. Might keep those, and that's it. The rest can go get fried. That's a crappy brand capacitor anyway. Now this thing was literally a piece of crap to begin with. There's a brand there, Taekwang. I found some cracked solder joints on this transistor. This thing used to crackle a lot with bass, so loud bass and the music would just crackle and start crackling. And we used to hit it and it would come good. So this thing was just a piece of shit, literally. So yeah, it deserves to die. You can see this is a pretty universal circuit board. It would have had the LA 4070 chip amplifier IC. Originally it would have went here, and everything would have went here. This would have been a standalone stereo. Because it was a different model, this particular Rackeye stereo, it had it on a bigger heatsink, so, and that was mounted elsewhere for more power, I suppose. But yeah, as I said, this thing's a piece of crap. Just all cheap quality parts, all low quality crap, and I also kept the ferrite from the antenna. The rest can just get fried. Alright, let's finish this board off. There we go. Alright, I'm in safety rack. The camera for a second there. There we go. Alright, power on, 31. Haven't got the earthing thing here, so. LED's gone pop. Oops, out of frame of the camera there. Yeah, LEDs are still working. That's good. That's a good sign. I'll give this thing a better ending, this crappy old stereo. Tough LEDs. There we go, it popped. That one's popped. That one's popped. Damn, that one hit the earth quite hard. So yeah, see what I'm doing, so I'm looking at the camera. That's why you're pointing capacitors away from yourself when doing this, because I can hit you in the face, and boy, that would hurt. Dragon capacitor. LED smoke there. And then a variable capacitor. And there's arcing out inside. The trimmers. Oscillator coil. Oh, there, that's bright. Burning through the wires there, more battery capacitors. A couple of markers pop. There's electrolytic. And part of the board just burst into flames. Typical Chinese garbage is bloody fire. Does it just, yeah, complete opposite of being fire retardant. Yeah, the camera light just turned back on. Damn, that was loud. Oh. Just popped. Integrated circuit gets incinerated. Dry the dirt out. There we go. Oh, there's a gone short. Oh well, that'll be enough for tonight. I'll pop the rest another night. Power off, unplug safety first. Alright. That familiar smell of burning circuit boards to earth. Get the camera adjusted right here. Holding on the tripod here. There we are, there's a couple there, haven't popped yet. Looks kind of warped. Drove all the moisture out of the ground. Okay, viewers, the rest will do another night. You can see they were bursting the flames. Even though the thing was ballasted to 10 amps, it still had enough current to bite hard, so be careful in doing this sort of experiments. There's one there. Cook some resistors. Couple there, haven't finished off yet. One there, couple there. So our viewers, they've been off for now. Thanks for watching.